Hey YouTube, so I'm inside my new to me Toyota Sienna XLE all-wheel drive vehicle. And today's episode, I'm going to show you how to your infamous maintenance light. Okay, so I noticed that whenever that light comes on, it usually says maintenance required. Contact your dealer so they can make a lot of money from you. Just kidding. So anyway, basically, I'll tell you this. That light is a reminder that you need to get your oil changed by the dealer, who will charge you an arm and a leg. And for who are weekend warrior home mechanics, we can do this ourselves. Okay, so in today's episode, I'm going to show you how to turn off that light after you have successfully changed your oil and oil filter. So just pretend that you have already finished changing your oil and oil filter. So how to go about killing that light, right? So what you do, okay, is you go to this little option here, okay? You press this little option. Let me see. There you go. You press this little option, okay? And your multi-display screen comes on like that, okay? So then you select, press that, and then select this. Go to select this. No, there, okay? That's a setting, okay? So then, okay, go to setting and press enter. This is the enter button, okay? And then it gives you options, okay? So then you scroll all the way down to maintenance reset. Push this little button right here to reset. Okay, so I'm going to push. I was too slow. Okay, too slow. I talked too much. Let's do it again. I ain't talking much anymore. Go here. Okay, go here all the way down to maintenance reset. Press that. Okay, reset the maintenance. Yes. So I go yes. Maintenance reset, reset complete. So you notice that light, it disappeared. And that's how you do it, guys. It's not that hard. Doesn't take a rocket scientist. Let me know what your thoughts are. Pretty easy peasy. And you save yourself some bucks. You don't have to pay the dealer to chop off an arm or a leg. That's it, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are.